Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to demonstrate WebSocket support in Slim. Slim now supports WebSocket as a data plane transport alongside gRPC. This transport can be used by both native applications and browser applications. For browser applications, we expose the Slim React Native Unify bindings through a WebAssembly based web API. This means that a browser tab can now become a first-class Slim participant. It can create and join sessions, send and receive messages, and use both MLS encrypted and non-MLS communication. In this demo, I will show multiple participants communicating in a single session across WebSocket and gRPC transports. So now I will show you the topology which I'm going to use for this demo. So here you can see we have like added one Slim node which will have two listener interfaces. One is WebSocket interface and one is gRPC interface. WebSocket interface is listening on port 6357 port and gRPC is on port 6358 port. And here we have connected three, like we will connect three browser participants to native like WebSocket participants and to gRPC participants. This is the server config. Here we can see, right, I have added two interfaces here. And next is like we will show you like how to, like we will go one by one. So here like first we have to build the bindings that I already did, and now I will start my node, then all the participants, then browser participants, then we will create sessions and like we will send few messages and we will see. So first I will run the node. I will run UI, then all the participants. This is native gRPC 1, native gRPC 2 is also up and connected, native WebSocket 1, native WebSocket 2. So all these four participants has been connected. Now we will go for the browser participants. So here we can see, okay. So this is like, actually we need three. So I will open it in the three tabs. So here like this is my browser A and I want to run this one as moderator. This has been connected as moderator, and this one I need as participant. This I will call it browser B. This also has been connected, and by default you can see, right, this for this auto accept incoming sessions is enabled because this is participant. So here again participant, and this is browser C. I will connect it. So all three browser participants, like all seven participants, are now connected. So this the moderator can create now sessions. So first I want to create session. I will call it as room 1 and I will enable MLS. This is the multicast session. We also have option to create unicast, but for now I will create multicast. Here I am inviting these three participants, and this we can ignore because this is for unicast. So now I will create session. We can see, right, session has been created and B is part of that. These are like some auto-generated messages from native participants, and C is not part of any sessions till now. Here like we can also send message. Here we can see, here like we is saying something. Here also we can see, right, and this one also we can see. I will also create one more session. Let's suppose I want to create, oh sorry, same session, like it's duplicated. I will close this session. I don't need this. So I will just create one session. I will call it as multicast. I don't need MLS. I will say room 2. I will invite C in this, and 2 here, 2 here I will invite. But we can also invite 1 also. And again I will create this new session. We can see this session has been created, room 2. And here also in this can send some messages. We can see now this is also part of that. I will say, hey, So we can here see, right, from the C we have received here, and here also we can see, right, because these two are part of this. So yeah, we can say this. Oh, not this one. Yeah, this one was part of that. So this and this is part of. So this is part of like all both the sessions. And here I have given option to invite any new participants in any of the session at any moment. Like we have option to leave also, and similar to that, like moderator can invite any participant. So, and this was MLS, non-MLS. From here we can create unicast. So thanks everyone, yeah, for attending this demo. So yeah, I will conclude the things. So to summarize, Slim now supports WebSocket alongside gRPC. The WebSocket transport works with native and browser applications. Browser applications use React Native Unify web bindings through WebAssembly. Browser participants and supports multicast, point-to-point, MLS and non-MLS sessions. WebSocket and gRPC participants can communicate within the same session. A single participant can be part of multiple sessions at a single time, right? So these all points like we have just demonstrated in this demo.